Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Jamil. So let's see where market can, how we can plan for tomorrow. First things last day we have done discussed that 12,500 going to be important support for the market, and this is also a key level for the market because above 12,500 market closing, no doubt is for many buyer market is become a positive for them. So anything gap down for them it's a negative scenario, and we had a plan that 12,400 going to be our selling price because it's a positive market on previous time for the buyer. 12,500 as a psychological level, as a round level above closing for buyer, it's a positive market. So anything gap down, which is 12,400 due to this last swing, for them it's a surprising moment, surprising gap down for them. So they are going to be stuck with their position. They are going to be hold their position, and each and every swing seller are going to be aggressive short from the market. So this is how price move, and you might see here aggressively downfall from here. And we plan that after closing 12,400, any 50-minute red candle, we can sell in the market, and target will going to be 12,200. And after reaching 12,200, there is no any reversal scenario in the market. So it's good to be go like that. If market is giving you, go and take the profit, because if you collect the more point today when the market was trending, in future you can take a more risk. Suppose if you collect 200 or 300 point from the downfall in here, and in next day you can take extra trade for the market uh, just to risk from your profit, not from your capital. So it's a psychological point. If you understand, you can take a more trade in future. It just understand the price. How you can understand the price? The more you understand the price, the more you can take a trade in the market. So right now, how we can plan for tomorrow? So 12,000 is a very important support for the market, but it's a market already start to closing on today. About below 12,000 market already closing on here. So it's a no doubt it's a worse market for the buyers. So buyer didn't expect, and this swing also was important. Each and every swing market started breaking down. It might be for news, it might be for something else, but we had discussed 12,400 going to be our selling price. Any 50-minute red candle we can planning to sell, and the target should be 12,200. But 12,200 market didn't hold, able to hold here, is aggressive selling here. So how we can plan for tomorrow? There's a three possibility. Either market will going to open gap up, flat, or gap down. So first assume if market directly opening the gap down is 12,100, then 12,100 till 11,000, 11,900, this is going to be a volatile range for the market. So anything above the best trade will going to be a short straddle for the seller. So trending will not going to happen after anything gap up. Anything flat, we have to wait for candle closing above below 11,900. 11,900 in negative candle, you can sell with small quantity. Why small quantity? Because already market has been done selling from the top side. These are the demand zone, these are the buyer demand zone. So any of the swing market can reversal from here. So chances are very high. If 11,800, 850, 11,700, each and every swing market is going to be a respect on here. So better to take a trade after flat, and anything closing below 11,900 with small quantity, just to test where market is going. If your 1:2 is mid, go and book the profit. Don't hold just to hope market will go more. So this is the second scenario. Anything gap down, which we plan to take a trade. Anything gap down, already market will move from our hands. So anything gap down, we have just to wait for 15-minute time frame. If 15-minute time frame is the positive candle, chances are very high those are the seller who short from the upside, they are going to book their profit. So it can reversal from here, but it doesn't mean that market is going to be on higher side. It's just a profit booking. So if seller is start to book the profit, market can reversal from here. So this is how price work. I hope you understand the point. If anything gap up, market is going to be on sideways, so it's better to be make a short straddle. If anything flat, wait for closing 11,900 below. We can plan with a small quantity because market can reversal from here due to this demand zone. Buy are waiting to buy again. Those are the buyer who miss this trend, no doubt they are going to be aggressively buying their position. So market also can reversal from here. Anything gap down, might be seller going to, if seller going to book their position, market can reversal from here. So I hope you understand the point, friends. For the Nasdaq, so let's see S&P 500 how we can trade for tomorrow. Similar analysis 4,000 was very important support for the market started closing below this range, so it's a worst scenario for the market, no doubt. Anything gap up, market will going to be on a sideways, to volatile, not trending. Anything flat, as soon as it cross any candle closing, we can planning to sell with a small quantity. Anything gap down, market can be reversal from here. So this is the analysis for the Nasdaq and S&P 500. So just important point, price point, if I just want to show you, if I zoom out the chart, you can understand very important things. Market was going to deciding where he wants to go. Suppose if you can see here, it's a continuously downtrend. There's a first pullback. So in a downtrend, if it's a first pullback, as you know, always come for the selling. So this is a down continuation selling, first pullback. Now it's market coming for the selling. These are the range, these are the buyer range. Suppose if buyer wants to take the market on a higher side, you will see tomorrow that market is going to open in the gap up. If anything gap up, market will going to be in sideways to volatile. Slow and steady, it will be start to going on the upside. So for us, the price action will be clear in future. Uptrend, first pullback, and there's a retracement. Now market is going upside. So these are the formation will going to be W pattern. And if this W pattern made on that range, market can go aggressively on the upside, but it should be on the future, not right now. Market is now negative, so try to planning to sell. Do not planning to buy from in this market. If market will always give you a trade, if you a buyer, just wait for the days. If we see any good pattern, any good chart pattern and the price, then we can planning to buy trade. So right now market is negative, so do not planning to buy on here. So market will always give you trade for the buying. So let's see which stock we can trade for tomorrow. First stock will going to be the Visa, because it's for the selling. First sorry, first will going to be the Visa, because 199 market start to closing. $200 is a round level market. $200 is a round level, so 198, 199 he all start to closing below 200 is psychological level. So any tomorrow flat 198, as soon as it cross, we can planning to sell, and 1:2 are going to be our target. The next support will going to be 198. 192 is seems like the next support, but $2 going to be our stop loss, and 1:2 our target. This is first stock. So let's see which second stock how we can trade for tomorrow. McDonald is going to be the second stock. So how we can plan is also for the selling side. Market already moved very downfall from here. So how we can plan, 229 going to be our selling price. As soon as it cross, we can planning to sell on this stock. $2 going to be stop loss, and 1:2 going to be our target. Next support is seems like going to be 222. So it's a very good downfall. It can be happen on this stock, so we can get a trade. But to make sure, if anything flat, we can planning to take a trade. If anything gap up, gap down, we need to ignore those trades. So I hope you understand the point, friends. And if you understand, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, friend. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you, and thank you very much.